Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and install this guy, lockable gas cap. I never had one for my Harley. You can see the stock one comes with the plain chrome. Dog, we got a dog over here. And I'm about to go on a road trip, so I think I have to install this guy. Okay, so unboxing it. Let's just see what you get in here. Real quick. The instructions. It's probably pretty basic. It's just a filler cap. And here is the filler cap. Let me unwrap it and we'll see what's going on with this thing. Alright guys, it's kind of like looking at jewelry from a motor company. This is what the gas cap looks like, and inside you get a set of keys. I think there's a number on these keys, so I can't really show it to you. And you get this set of instructions. Here's the set of instructions just in case you need to figure out how to do it on your own. And you set your key number right here just in case you ever need to make a copy from Harley Davidson. But we'll just go through this and follow up. It looks like you just got to unlock it and then put it on. Okay, prior to installing it, you need to put the key in and then find out whether or not yours is a left-handed thread or a right-handed thread, and turn it so that it loosens up, and then you put it onto your gas cap. Just to demonstrate. So this is supposed to be self-locking. You can hear it lock. And now I can't take it out. Okay, so once it's in, it does take some getting used to. I'll try to show it on camera, but you have to turn the key where it's gonna release, and then after you turn it a little more and you'll hear it click, and that's when you can pull it off. I'll try to demonstrate this. Winter. Try to demonstrate this right here. So I kind of gotta hold the key. Hold the gas cap. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Hold the gas cap. You hear that initial click, and you turn it a little more until you hear that click. Then after you put it back into a neutral position, pull it out. It should be unlocked. You can pull that out. Put it back in. Self-locks. There it is. I'll try to do it one-handed, but we'll see how it goes. So we gotta kind of hold the gas cap. Okay, there it is. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And hopefully that helps somebody. But you know, like, subscribe, share, comment. Me and Winter are signing out. Okay, so that is before.